Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO X300 Pro, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. First of all, enroll the settings, then find and select System Management. Click on Reset to enroll it, and you will find here Reset All Settings. So if you truly want to restore settings like function switches, options, personalized settings, content field and during setup. So if you wish to clear everything that you set, just mark reset. Draw an unlock pattern to confirm and click on reset. Now just wait till it's done. Obviously after that you will be able to set up your device from scratch. If it doesn't reload by itself, just unlock it. And now you can customize your device from scratch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.